Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 15.4 question number 3. Examine if the following are true statements. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a rectangle. Here you see that the cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a rectangle. Yes, that is true. Yes, it is true. And this one too is the cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a hexagon. No, it cannot be true. It is false. Again you see, the cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a rectangle. Yes, it is true. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of a hexagon. That is not true. The bit is false. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.